Ofloxacin. Clinical uses. Ofloxacin is a fluoroquinolone antibiotic used to treat various bacterial infections, including 1. Respiratory infections. Acute bacterial exacerbations of chronic bronchitis, pneumonia. 2. Urinary Tract Infections UTIs. Cystitis, pyelonephritis, urethritis. 3. Sexually Transmitted Infections STIs. Gonorrhea, cervicitis, prostatitis. 4. Skin and soft tissue infections. Cellulitis, abscesses. 5. Gastrointestinal infections. Bacterial diarrhea, e.g., traveler's diarrhea. 6. Ophthalmic infections as eye drops. Conjunctivitis, corneal ulcers. 7. Ear infections as ear drops. Otitis externa, otitis media. Dosage. Oral IV adults. UTIs. 200 to 400 mg every 12 hours. Respiratory, skin infections. 400 mg. Every 12 hours. Gonorrhea. Single 400 mg dose. Prostatitis. 300 mg every 12 hours. For 6 weeks. Renal impairment. Dose adjustment required, e.g., CrCl less than 50 ml per minute. Ophthalmic ear drops. Apply as directed, usually 1 to 2 drops. Every 2 to 6 hours. Contraindications. 1. Hypersensitivity to ofloxacin or other quinolones. 2. Tendinitis, tendon rupture. History with fluoroquinolones. 3. Myasthenia gravis, risk of exacerbation. 4. Pregnancy and lactation, unless benefits outweigh risks. 5. Children less than 18 years except for specific infections under specialist advice. Side effects. Common. Nausea, diarrhea, headache, dizziness, insomnia. Rash, itching, photosensitivity. Serious. Tendon rupture, Achilles tendon most common. Peripheral neuropathy, tingling, burning pain. QT prolongation, risk of arrhythmias. Hypersensitivity reactions. Anaphylaxis, Stevens-Johnson syndrome. C. Difficile-associated diarrhea, pseudomembranous colitis. Liver toxicity, elevated LFTs. Hepatitis.